Hey friends, Coach Sarah here with Array of Hope Health. I am coming to you live from the Wildhorse Saloon in Nashville. I thought I would show you guys what we have set up here. It's amazing. I want to teach you guys when you go out to eat, call ahead, find out, ask what they have so you know before you go so you can be on plan and prepared. So this place is so cool, you guys. Let me show you, and then I'm going to show you guys what we have to eat, okay? You can meet all my coach friends. I'm so excited for you guys. All right, I'm going to flip this around. Okay, so it is not open to the public yet. Right now we have the whole place to ourselves. This is what it looks like. And we are actually on the second floor. And this place is so cool. Isn't this cool? And I got to show you guys. Can you see those horses on the ceiling? It's just a really cool vibe and atmosphere. I have picked this place the last couple years because they accommodate us coaches. Like, they're just amazing. Like, I cannot recommend them enough for catered events. So, all right, I'm about to show you my coach friends. You guys ready? Okay. So here we go. Say hi. Hello, hello. These are my friends, all my coach friends. And I got some over here. I feel like I can't leave you guys out. Be so wrong. Say hello. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the food now. Oh, yeah, I gotta say hi again. Say hi. Okay, we have an amazing setup. Coach Lexi. Oh, Coach Linda's hiding over. She's hanging out with the horses. She's always with the horses, aren't you? Okay, you guys, look at this. So this is what we got. Actually, I should show you the little placard they made. Then you could just read it. But I special requested all these things to make sure that it was on plan, okay? So you guys can see they did, you know, Trim Healthy Mama. It is a lot of gluten-free stuff going on. But they had like Caesar salad, and it did have croutons. So I requested no croutons, and that Asiago crackers are actually just hard dried cheese. So check out the salad, you guys. Isn't that amazing? So that's the Caesar salad. And then this, we are doing, I made it so people can make an S, they can do an E, they can do a crossover. We have so many options to try to accommodate all the coaches. So this is just black bean corn salsa. And then I ordered, what actually came with it was flour tortillas. So I requested corn shell tortillas only. So they did a swap for me there. It also came with white rice, like white cilantro rice. So I swapped it to brown rice. So another on-plan option. And then we did chicken. So this is, I should have just read the list. What do they call this chicken? I have no idea. They just called it chicken. That's super helpful. So that's chicken. And then this is some peppers. And say hi, friends. Amanda, hey girl. Kim, Pam, hi girls. All right, so, and then veggies. So instead of chips, I asked if they could do a bunch of veggies, and they will just come restock this stuff, you guys. Like, as we eat, they will come refill everything. So we have all the different sauces and different cheeses and guacamole and all the things that you're gonna add. So check this out though. You guys are gonna love this. Just wait. Okay, I gotta show you guys something. Okay, hang with me. So cool horses all through the whole place, but now we get this back room. The secret space. You guys are getting an inside tour. I hope you are loving this. Look at this cool artwork. All right, look at this. Oh, there's Coach Jasmine chatting away. Are you telling all your secrets to my friends? Okay, thank you. Can I show them the little bar behind you? Awesome, thank you. So check this out. They set this up for us. This is our dessert. Hello, yes please. And then we have all this fruit. Not enough. So this is gonna be amazing. Well, they're gonna restock it. We're gonna be so good, I promise you guys. And look, more coach friends, say hello. And then we have, they're making us unsweetened tea, you guys. They're going to go do it, so it's happening. We're getting unsweetened tea. Oh, and we have, our little stevia with Donker, and that's super sweet in the back. And then we have iced water and coffee. So we can, iced water, yes. And then we have this other little like hidden room back here too if we want to. But the real party is out here. So say hi, Nicole. There's Coach Nicole. Okay, so let's go back out here. I gotta show you guys one more thing because it's so awesome. So I hope you guys are having a good day. We're gonna have a good day here. And oh, I gotta show you guys this. I know you wanna see my face, but not really. Okay, here's more friends. I wanted to show you guys some really cool horses. So, yep, I'm still live, friends. Just letting you know I'm live. Say hi. Oh, there's Coach Amy. Coach Charlotte. Hello. All right, Coach Charity. I'm live. They're getting my last minute warning here. Okay, so check this out. I have to show you guys these really cool horses, just because this place is really cool. So if you get a chance to come to Nashville, come check out all the stuff they have here. But look, like photo opportunities. I'm sure you guys will see on my story. If you're not following my story, be sure to follow my story at Array of Hope Health on Instagram and on Facebook. I post a lot of pictures and stuff on there. So then they got these guys. Come on, that's just fun, right? It's so fun. Okay, and then they have like all these little foosball tables and pool tables. So it's a really cool place. So, all right, that's what I had for you guys. Oh, my husband's here. I love you. I miss you. Hope everything's going okay. Pray for my husband. He's amazing. He is watching all my kids so I could be here, and my little 18-month-old who's still nursing. So bless him and pray for him. But I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope this was helpful. Ask before you go to a restaurant. Ask them if they can accommodate your needs, because more often than not, they are going to be willing to accommodate your needs. So, oh, that's good to know. Haven was good last night. Yay, praise the Lord. Okay, so later today, you guys, we are going to be dancing right down there. Our own private, well, I guess it's not private because they're opening at noon, but they're going to be teaching us line dancing right down there. So I am so excited. I'm sorry, I probably sound like I'm shouting. It's very loud here. So if it sounds like I'm screaming, I'm really not screaming. It's just super loud here. So, all right, guys, I hope you have an awesome day, and I will connect with you guys later. See ya. Bye-bye.